You guys want bananas? Ow, that is my finger. Banana. Alright, banana. Oh God, that's the whole thing. Alright, come here. Stop. That was a half a banana in one bite. You're not very good at this. Good birds. Ow. Woohoo! You still have like half a banana in your throat. How are you eating more? Why? Do you want one, little buddy? Come here. Hey, come here. Everybody get some. Here, do you want some? You can have that one. As you see, a lot of them hit the ground. They'll eat them. All right. Ow, that was my thumb. That's my finger. That's my thumb. Good bird. Come here, little one. Ow. Ah! Hey, you two be nice. That was an entire banana. That was an entire banana. Alright, can you do it again? Alright, one banana. Nope, you gotta eat it whole. Come on, you can do it, I believe. Ah. Somebody eat this banana. Good birds. Oh, I have too much stuff on it. Alright, babes, that's everything. That is... No. No. I'm out. I'll go get you food in a second, but I'm out of bananas. Ow.